Now, suppose we have the following. We want to convert 12 kilometers to meters. We're going to do this the same way we converted US measurements. There is a relationship for kilometers to meters or kilometers to meters. 1 kilometer or 1 kilometer, they're the same thing, equals 1,000 meters. So again, we've got to choose. Do we go with this ratio? Or do we go with that ratio? And if we want to convert 12 kilometers, well, we want to make sure the kilometers cancel and the meters remain. And so to do that, we want to make sure kilometers are in the bottom. So we'll go with this one. And when the kilometers are canceling, that means we've set this up right. So now we multiply. We're going to get 12 times 1,000 meters divided by 1, or 12 times 1,000 divided by 1, tack on meters at the end. So now I've got this calculator. I know how to use it. Always a key thing. And so we get 12,000. And don't forget, tack on the meters at the end, 12,000 meters. All right. So now let's say we want to do something else. We want to convert this to centimeters. And in the chart, there's a chart at the end of this section that has relationships between these different quantities. There's no direct connection from kilometers to centimeters. So what we can do is go kilometers to meters and then meters to centimeters. And again, there's two ways of doing it. We can link a chain that connects everything, or we could do this conversion and then take the number we get and do that conversion. I'll go through both methods. So first off, 12 kilometers. And as before, to turn this into meters, we have 1 kilometer is 1,000 meters. And as long as those kilometers are canceling, we've set it up right. But now we've got 1 meter is 1,000 centimeters. We need to do one more conversion. And again, we've got to choose, do it for 1 meter, 100 centimeters, 100 centimeters over 1 meter. And again, we want to make sure meters cancel. So that means if meters are in top, we need the ratio that has meters at the bottom. And going to be this one here. So 100 centimeters, 1 meter. So what we have left is 12 times 1,000 over 1 times 100 centimeters over 1. And so you could enter this into your calculator as 12 times, and then in parentheses, put in the fraction 1,000 over 1 times, in parentheses again, 100 over 1. You could do this. Taking the TI, that's going to be the division. If you just have a division sign there, it'll work just as well. And then when you're done with this calculation, tack on centimeters at the end. Now you might recognize that since we're dividing by 1 doesn't change anything. So we could just do 12 times 1,000 times 100. Either way will work. So if you do that, what you're going to get is 1,200,000 centimeters. And that's it. So that's really the mainstay for these kinds of conversions. Again, there's going to be some different types depending on the different substances you're measuring. We'll look at that in the next video. So any questions, let me know.